A question I've been asked multiple times is help, my opportunity is not converting the products to a project, sales order, or service ticket. I'm here in ConnectWise PSA, formerly ConnectWise Manage, and I am trying to convert this opportunity. When I try and convert, none of the products seem to be carrying over. Ideally, what you want to happen is when you hit convert and you hit, let's say, project, you would see a list of items prior to this screen. If that's not happening for you, here are 3 reasons why your products might not be showing up. First step, I like to check to see if the product has been canceled at the opportunity level. So I'm going to navigate over to the Products tab, and I'm looking here at this quantity canceled column. These 2 products have been canceled and someone has gone in and canceled these 2 items. So I want to uncancel them. I'll select these 2 items, go to Remove Cancel, and hit OK. Now that those 2 products have been uncanceled, I should be able to see them when I go to convert. I'll go back to my opportunity, convert, project, next. We're creating a new project. And there are my 2 products. So I have 2 out of the 6 showing up. We are a third of the way there. Let's check to see what other reasons might be happening in the back end. We'll go back to the Products tab, and I'm going to look at these first 2 items here. These are inventory and non-inventory product class. And as I scroll along, I'm going to be able to get to these 3 columns: ticket, sales order, and project name. If you don't see these 3 columns, you can bring them in through the little customize view list, select that gear, find any hidden columns you would like to move to your visible columns, and then move those visible columns around. When I look at the 3 columns I've made visible, the ticket, sales order, and project name, I can see that the first 2 lines have already been converted. You can only convert a product once. Since these have already been converted, we can't see them anymore. So I'm going to click on that link to the sales order. And for this sales order, it was a mistake. Those 2 products should have never been converted to here. I don't want this sales order anymore. Nothing's been purchased or picked. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete the sales order entirely. What that's going to do is it's going to allow me to see the products back on the opportunity and convert them off the opportunity. Going back to where we were before, if we convert this to a project, we're going to see 4 items. So we are 2/3 of the way there. The last issue is likely due to product classes. You'll notice that the product classes here are inventory and non-inventory. When I go back to my product tab, I can see here that the last 2 are agreement class. These will not convert to a project. They won't show up when you're trying to get them to convert to a project. So that can be an issue. I'll talk more about the different classes and what class something should be for the vehicle it's going to be converted to. But that would be my last step, is to check the class and make sure it's the right class to be able to be converted. If I'm converting to a sales order, I'll be able to see everything. So we'll go convert, sales order, and here are all 6 of my items. Those are the top 3 reasons that I most commonly see when there's no products to be able to be converted off your opportunity to something else, and that's how I would troubleshoot it. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to keep following content like this, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I'll get back to you.